Have an APG photo gallery project file and want to access your photo collection. These organize photo collections from gallery applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these photo gallery project files. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized APG file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. An APG file is a project file created by various photo album or gallery applications. It does not contain the actual image data, but rather acts as an index, storing metadata and references to the locations of the image files. Users create these to organize a collection, define image order, and add captions. This is typically a lightweight, text-based, often XML or INI style, or simple binary file. The design intentionally references external image files via paths to keep the project file small and fast to load. This separation of data and metadata allows for non-destructive organization of large photo collections. The specific reading module for APG files is provided by ACDSC Photo Manager from ACD Systems. The system can open the file as plain text but cannot apply its intended visual formatting. Windows may recognize the extension, but interpreting the contents needs index-compatible tools. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your APG file and choose Open With. Test ACDSC Photo Manager first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. If the APG file won't budge, stay calm. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, identifying the source application. Determine which photo gallery application created the APG file based on its source or accompanying files. Common applications include various photo album makers, slideshow creators, and gallery generators. Once identified, open the APG file in the matching application to access the photo collection organization. Next, examining as text. Open APG files in text editors like Notepad++ to inspect content. Many APG formats use XML or readable text storing image file paths and organizational data. This examination reveals the photo files referenced, enabling manual access to underlying images, even without the gallery application. Finally, recreating in modern tools. Migrate photo collections to modern tools like Adobe Lightroom, Apple Photos, or Google Photos. Identify image files referenced by the APG file and import them into your chosen modern photo management solution. Recreate album organization and tags using your new tool's organizational features for sustainable photo management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.